Our hanging car organizer with tissue dispenser is the ultimate road package for busy commuters always on the go. And it's easy to install. It has a sturdy adjustable strap and a clip that makes it simple to wrap around your vehicle's headrest and snap into place. Durably constructed of 600D polyester, this handy organizer features a roomy mesh pocket to stash snacks and personal items, a side pouch perfect for drink bottles, and a convenient tissue dispenser that fits a 100-sheet standard box or soft pack of tissues, so you always have relief on standby. This portable accessory makes it easy to snap around your vehicle's seat, front or back, keeping all the essentials close at hand. This great product is available in 5 different trim colors. Just add your 3-pack of tissues to complete your order.